Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can delete contact in Telegram. So I'm using an Android device, so I'm gonna be teaching you accordingly. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Telegram app and then log in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will be in this particular platform. Now choose the person or contact that you want to delete. So I'm going to be choosing this one. And now just go to their profile. Once you are in the profile, just go to top right corner to this three dot option. And then you'll be having a option which says delete contact over here. Just press over here and just delete it, and then the contact will be deleted. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.